Hello everybody, my name is Hervé representing Draytech Australia. Draytech routers now support port knocking on several routers such as the Vigor 3912, 2927, 2865 and soon the 2136 and the C510, adding an extra layer of security to the management interface. Port knocking works by keeping all ports closed by default and only opening them after a specific sequence of port scans, like a secret handshake for your router. It uses TOTP, time-based one-time password, for authentication. It also requires the Draytech port knocking tool, and the time settings should be updated on the router. Then you configure a sequence of ports and services that must be knocked at in order to gain access. This feature is especially useful if you're managing routers remotely and want to reduce exposure to brute force attacks or unauthorized access. I will quickly show you how it works on a Vigor 3912 with firmware version 4.4.5.1. First, make sure that the system time is up to date since TOTP will be used. Then go to System Maintenance, Management. Then tick Allow Management from the Internet and enable HTTPS. Then tick Enable Port Knocking and then the HTTPS server. Then type in the first knock port, for example 3888. Now we have a TOTP key, which we can verify with Google Authenticator using the QR code before saving the settings by clicking OK. We can copy the TOTP key by clicking on Copy. If you do not want to use Google Authenticator, you can just open the port knocking tool at https://www.draytech.com/product/portknock. Then type in a name, say test4, then the one IP of the test router, for example 192.168.101.10. Then the first port to scan, say 3888. Now paste the TOTP key which we have copied before. Wait for a few seconds until a verify code is refreshed. Then copy the verify code and plug it into the router's management page to verify the TOTP key. It will immediately display a green verified message and click OK to save the settings. Then move back to the client's PC and try to access the router on 192.168.101.10 and we can see that the router is not available. Then open the port knocking tool page and click on the Knock Ports button. A message will appear indicating that the port knocking is now completed. Now try the remote management using HTTPS 101.10 again. Here we go. The router's console appears and it will remain open for 1 hour until a new port knock will be needed. This concludes our demo today on how to use port knocking on a Draytech 3912 router. Thank you for watching. Please like or leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe. For more info about Draytech products, please check out our website at www.draytech.com.au or send us an email to sales@draytech.com.au or give us a call on 0298 3888 and 99.